Officer Dave, would you open my courtroom, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How you doing? Good morning. Where'd you go?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. You guys, let's call your file. We are on the record calling file 22-181238, Affiliated Diagnostic of Oakland versus City of Detroit. Date and time for trial. Your respective appearances.
Good morning, Judge Abdul Kareem Saad on behalf of Affiliated Diagnostics.
You remember the State Bar of Michigan?
Yes, sir. P84038.
Counsel.
Cheryl Ronk on behalf of City of Detroit, 54897.
Okay, I'm not hearing you. Turn your mic up or come closer to it.
Let me see.
Okay, now, have our disclosures been made? When we were last together on May 16th, looked like nobody had done their disclosures.
Disclosures have been made, Judge. I reached out to Cheryl on Friday to get this matter resolved. It seems as if they filed a motion for summary. We did not receive that motion, and we asked this court to push the date so I have sufficient time to respond to that motion.
Well, you're entitled to 21 days under the court rule. So first, my question is, Ms. Ronk, has the city made its initial disclosures?
Yes, Your Honor. And
All
our
right, so-
motion was mailed out 21 days ago. But I had indicated to the plaintiff's attorney, since he didn't receive it, I had no objection to an adjournment of the hearing.
Well, it wasn't scheduled for today because I scheduled cases. So I noticed that it's here. So we'll just get you a date and we'll move you on down the road. In general, not to pre-decide, what's your motion claiming, Ms. Ronk?
We settled with
hear
the
you.
that's all the way turned up, Your Honor. I can't turn it up.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, we had settled and got a release from the underlying alleged injured party. So it was, these claims for affiliated were covered in that release.
Oh, okay. So what I need to do then is, since the disclosures have been made, motion for summary has been filed, I just need to give you all a date for hearing for your motion.
Okay.
Okay, now, was there a circuit court case? Is that what happened in this, Ms. Ronk?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that circuit court case settled with or without futures?
It settled without futures, but the bills in this case are covered by the dates that
In
were.
the dates of the
Yeah.
counsel?
Yes, Judge.
I'm not prejudging your case, so we'll give you a date and we'll figure out where we're going from there. We're gonna
Okay.
set the date for July 11 at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yes.
1 second.
Okay, counsel.
Yeah, that should work, Judge. Oh,
Okay.
I believe I'm out of town that day.
Check and see.
Yes, I'm out of town that day.
Got somebody in your office who can cover? This is a pretty simple motion. Either it's covered by the release or it's not. It's basically somebody who's a member of State Bar of Michigan who can read dates.
Yeah, well, I don't want to get into the motion, Judge. It's just we have a direct cause. We have an assignment. They're put on notice of it, so it's pretty straightforward on our side as well.
We didn't receive the assignment until after we settled the underlying case, Your Honor. And we have an argument in there with addressing the assignment.
Well, I haven't, like I said, I haven't read it, but here's what we're going to do. If the 7th doesn't work, how about the 18th? Does that work?
The 18th will work.
July 18th.
July 18th.
That works for everybody? Yep. All right. July 18th, 10 o'clock.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
2022. We will hear the defendant's motion for summary disposition. Thank you both for coming in.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's be safe out there. We're off the record.
Judge,
Yes.
once we're off the record, I want to speak off the record about another issue. Not this case. Has nothing to do with this case.
Okay, so I can leave?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, well, thank you very much, Your Honor. And I look forward to hearing from you.
Notice going out today.
All right, goodbye.
Bye-bye. Counsel?
Yes, sir, Judge. I received a notice for dismissal for a certain case. I got the case number, but I don't know who the underlying assignee is. I guess there was a hearing on the 6th. I had no notice of it.
Well, counsel, if you feel that you did this inappropriately, you file a motion.
I'll file the motion, Judge. Thank you very much.
Good enough. Thank you. Joe Burke. Joseph Jamal. Got Tanya Powell. Monique Patterson. That would be Burke. And Monique Patterson. One, 3, 4. Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
I'm waiting for Ms. Patterson to connect. I see her picture, there she is. We got audio, Ms. Patterson. You hear me now?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Let's call your case. We are on the record calling 2-1-167-134 Beaumont Health versus Monique Patterson. Date and time for pretrial. Could I have your respective appearances?
Yes, Your Honor. This is Burke, P69068, attorney for Beaumont Health on this case.
And your name, ma'am?
Monique Patterson.
All right. This is our initial pretrial on this matter. Is it your intention to represent yourself in this matter, Ms. Patterson?
Your Honor, I've been trying to find an attorney. I even went to the board of attorneys and they referred me to someone which asked me to file bankrupt, and they haven't found me another attorney. I came down there when I filed that motion. They gave me a number to call, and I have left several messages because I respectfully cannot represent myself in this case because it's harder than I thought that it would be.
That's why people go to law school, because it ain't easy.
Yes.
Hey, we're gonna have to move forward on this file. I have previously denied the plaintiff's motion for summary disposition. And
Your Honor, may I say one thing while you're looking?
go ahead.
And Ms. Patterson critique this. On May 25th, we mailed her a consent judgment proposing $100 a month. Is that still something you want to do, Ms. Patterson? We mailed it to you, and the first payment we have, you asked us to have it due by the 22nd of June. That may resolve if.
No, I would not, because that's why I went down there to file the motion. You guys are, first of all, I already explained that all of the charges is not mine.
All right,
So
ma'am, excuse me. If you don't have a settlement, we're not trying the case today.
Okay,
And if you don't have a settlement, so be it. What I will do then is I will open your written discovery. I will give you a return date. That's all I can do at this point. Your next day with me will be July 11 at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Does for the plaintiff, Your Honor.
Ms. Patterson?
Yes.
is that time enough for me to try to get in touch with somebody?
Today is June 15th, 13th, ma'am. It's almost a month. We're gonna have
Okay.
to move the file, ma'am. If you're not gonna get, you can get counsel or you can't, but we gotta move the file.
Okay,
July 11th at 10 o'clock will be our next time. Your written discovery is now open. Is there anything
Okay.
you can do today?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I was saying, is there anything else we can do today? I have given you a new pretrial date. I have opened your written discovery. I'm asking if there's anything else we can do today.
No, that's it.
All right. We'll send out a notice today then.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
You got another case, Mr. Burke? Let me see. Okay, I don't know who this other person is here. So I'll let Ms. Patterson go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's see who this person is. Hello,
Yes,
what is your name?
Tanya Powell.
That's your other case, Mr. Burke.
My other case I was Beaumont Health versus Antonia Kelly. Name she just said.
I've got Antonia Kelly. So let me put this person back in the waiting room. And we'll put counsel, Mr. Jamal, back in the waiting room. And we have Antonia Kelly. All right, this is 472. All right, we are on the record calling file number 21173-472, Beaumont Health versus Antonio Kelly. Date and time for pretrial, your respective appearances.
Yes, Your Honor, Hal Burke, P6068, attorney for Beaumont Health in this case.
What is your name, sir?
Antonio Kelly.
Is it your intention to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes, sir.
You have an absolute constitutional right to do that. What you do not have is to write your own set of rules, civil procedure, your own rules of evidence, and your own statutes. If you elect to represent yourself, as is your constitutional right, the same rules that bind Mr. Burke will bind you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, gentlemen, where are we on this file?
Your Honor, if I may, and then Mr. Kelly can, on June 8th, at his request, we emailed him a full itemized statement. I won't say his email, as I know this is online, YouTube, at the email he gave to us. And my question out loud is, did he receive it? And I think at his request, that encourage some type of resolution.
Did you receive it, sir?
Yes, I did.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you gentlemen a new date. I will open your written discovery, and then I'll put you in the chat room to see if you can resolve your file. If you're able to resolve the file, now that you have that information you requested, then you guys come back to me. If not, then I will see you on your new date.
Thank you.
Your new date with me will be July 11. That's a Monday like today, July 11 at 10 o'clock. Does that work for you, sir?
Yes, sir.
I know it works for Mr. Burke because he has another one on that same date and time. All right, July 11, 2022 at 10 a.m. will be our next pretrial. Your written discovery is now open. Is there anything else, gentlemen, that we could accomplish today?
No,
Nothing
sir.
from the.
All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you now into a chat room. If you're able to resolve your file, come back to me. If not, then you're free to go and we'll talk about your case again, July 11th at 10 o'clock. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Gentlemen in the chat room, and see if you can get your case resolved.
Thank you.
See if I can make the technology work. Start with room 1, Hal Burke, room 1. Mr. Kelly, room 1. Okay, that should do it. There's Mr. Burke. There's Mr. Kelly. All right. So here I admit all. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
This is LVMP funding versus Tanya Powell. Could I have your respective appearances, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Jamal on behalf of the plaintiff, P71254.
And what is your name, ma'am?
Tanya Powell.
This is case number 21169-695. The file is here today for pretrial. We have had a motion for summary disposition file. So what I want to know before I calendar that is, are we done with our written discovery?
Plaintiff has no further discovery, Your Honor.
How about you, ma'am?
Nope, no further discovery.
All right, then your discovery is now closed. We'll set your file for hearing on the motion for summary disposition. This matter will be scheduled for hearing July 11th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Let me check my calendar.
That's a Monday like today, ma'am.
I have infusions for my that should be good.
Okay, Mr. Jamal,
We have no objections to that date, Your Honor.
July 11th at 10 o'clock for summary disposition. Your discovery is now
Okay.
closed. We'll send you out a notice. Thank you both for coming in. We're off the record.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's
You're
be
welcome. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mr. Burke?
Yes, Your Honor.
You
I
settled?
think Mr. Kelly's coming back in. Can you hear me
Okay.
okay?
Let's give him a couple more minutes.
Sure.
File is that 472. That's this one. Let's see if I can help him out. Maybe I can bring him out easier for me. He's still there. See if I can move him to the main session. Yeah, I have everybody back.
Okay, great.
We are back on the record. This is 21173-472. The file is entitled Beaumont Health versus Antonio Kelly. Gentlemen, we have a resolution here. What? What's going on?
We do, Your Honor, back on the record, Mr. Kelly and I, in our breakout session that you would allow, reached a resolution and a reduced amount. He had paid a $100 towards the balance, leaving a balance of $70. We agreed he's going to pay $341 today. When that payment goes through, which I know it will because the first 100 did, dismiss the case. If you would allow me Friday to email and mail you in a dismissal when the payment goes through.
All
A
right,
dismissal with prejudice.
what I'll do then is I'll just go ahead and I'll continue the calendar as expected for that July 11th date, and I should have your dismissal with prejudice before that time occurs. Those are the terms you agree to, Mr. Kelly?
Yes, sir.
All right, so just go ahead and get the payment made. Mr. Burke will get the paperwork, and hopefully it won't be necessary for you guys to come back at all. Okay?
Okay.
Let's be
Thank
safe.
you,
out
Your
there.
Honor.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank
All
you.
right, thanks, sir.
Appreciate you coming in.
Have a great
Yep.
day.
Let's be safe.
called Crazy Cat, jazz pantomime. Comic book collectors know the work of George Harriman. It's 1920s comic strip, Crazy Cat. Harriman calls it art. It's a big great he had all baseball comic books. It's inspired to like that music. Based on George Harriman's cartoons, Keith Lockhart was inspired to conduct that music on the concert orchestra. It's supported WRCJ outreach. Keeping music alive is an essential pillar of our work. It's to encourage you to support the new family and unmatched gifts to $10,000. Let your love of music programs guide your generosity. From Ralph to Box Lunch, Sunday Grove to Great Lakes Concerts. Your support of WRCJ keeps us independent. It's to love. The $50 gift can become $240 towards our program that explores the music. What can you find action? It's up to $10,000 to say that inspires. But estimate has twice the impact. Thanks to the challenge grant. Thanks for making a difference. What this unique opportunity is available. 866-909-9725. What for investor students? Here's the first one. WOCJFM, so never mind. Squeeze. Concho Max, the symphonic poem inspired by that site on the point of Cornwall, southwest England. Legend says that King Arthur once lived there. He got there. He just said meet next door to Concho. Symphonic poem. That's where it all starts.
Morning, Council.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who do you have today?
I am here for Henry Ford. Oh, I just had the case number. and I
Henry
just-
Ford versus Hanover,
Yes, that's correct.
the plaintiff.
Defendant, so Hanover.
Okay, I have Mr. Millenbach. Perhaps we can get started. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We are on the record. This is 22178-196. Henry Ford Health System versus Hanover Insurance. Your respective appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Paul Mellenbach on behalf of the plaintiff, Henry Ford Health System.
You
And
members-
Joy Glovic, and I'm sorry, Your Honor. Joy Glovic on behalf of defendant Hanover.
Are either of you members of the State Bar of Michigan?
I am, Your Honor.
You have P numbers?
P42795.
And mine is 66961, which is on my screen as well. So,
Well, the problem is it's not something that's going to be picked up by the recording.
absolutely.
Neither of you have your P numbers tattooed on your forehead. It will be, and neither of you are so famous so as for them to be matters of public knowledge. It would be a good idea when you make an appearance on a remote proceeding to give your P number. So this is our first pretrial on this PIP case. My first question is, have we made the 2.3028 disclosures?
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
How about you, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what are we claiming ballpark?
The amount of the bill was $21,319.17.
Is there
To
more?
be exact.
Is there ongoing treatment?
No, it's an emergency room bill, Your Honor. I think we're pretty close to resolving it, actually. Defendant has made a payment. Actually, their adjuster made a payment of about $8,500. And right now, we're trying to just determine whether or not that's the right amount to pay pursuant to the new fee schedule that's come out. So
Okay.
we're not that far from that.
Then all you need then is another date.
Pretty much, yes.
You know, my two concerns particularly, once we get the disclosures made, my biggest question is whether I have subject matter jurisdiction. I am running into a lot of cases recently, and I don't know why, that are starting out PIP claims in the 14, 18 range. Next thing you know, they're $25,000 or $30,000. Why am I seeing this? All right, let's have you guys back on July 11th at 11 o'clock. Does that work for both of you?
That's good for me, Your Honor. I think we'll have it done by then, honestly.
Okay. How about you, Ms. Glover?
That works for me too, Your Honor.
Okay, July 11th at 11 o'clock. We'll send you out a notice. Thank you both for coming in,
Right.
and let's be safe.
All right, thank you, Your
Thank you, Your
Honor.
Honor. Have a good day.
Y'all appreciate you coming in.
Yep.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, July 11th. I have Francis and you. Yes. All.
Hello, Judge.
Hi, Mr. Rosen. I have no opponent for you as of yet.
Okay.
Ms. Francis,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning. You have whom?
I'm here for LVNV funding.
I have no opponent for you yet either. I'll put you guys back into the waiting room.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Rosen, are you planning on changing your background when the new bridge goes into effect, the Freedom Bridge?
If I can find it.
you see King Arthur and this nice through the mist on the rocky point of the and southwest England. It's a chapter, the castle. And the tone is well Scottish country. Listener supported RCJ. RCJ comes from the Ann chapter of the American Guild of Organists, celebrating 50 years, supporting area organists and serving the community. The chapter of the American Guild of Organists presents an annual series of concerts and workshops. These events are open to the public, generally without charge, and membership is available to anyone with an interest in organ music. Information about the guild and details on our music offerings at some of the finest pipe organs in the art. Hi, it's Tate Wagner, and I'd like to take you and your friends to the ballpark. The Tigers play Cleveland on Tuesday, July 5th, where you and a dozen of your friends will walk through the American Art Luxury Suite. Register now for our prize room at 866-909-9725. The drawing is June 17th at noon. 866-909-9725. Register now. This is WRCJFM and HD1 Detroit, 90.9. 90.9 Detroit Winter. It's WRCJ. Jazz. That's what WRCJ means. Get the free app. Keep listening. Give us some tickets for the Great Lakes Chamber Music. In less than 10 minutes.
Right.
Joanne Folletta leading the Virginia Symphony Orchestra. Had a conversation with Joanne Folletta about recent projects. Listen to that talk that we had. What's here with midday music? Also stay tuned. Next. Stay tuned. It's Dave Wagner, and I'd like to take you and your friends to the Tigers Play on Tuesday, July 5th, when you and me and a dozen of your friends can walk through America luxury suite. Register now for our prize draw at 866-909-9725. The drawing is June 17th at noon. 866-909-9725. Register now. Ball game with Dave or Rush coming up. Register now. 866-909-9725. We can give you another number. Free tickets that we're giving away for the Great Lakes Chamber Music Festival. 2 concerts to choose from. This Saturday, June 18th, we have Beethoven and Ravel. And then on closing night, also at the Auditorium, that's on June 25th. Go to either concert. Let's do 2 verses. 313-494-8635 for the Rutledge Chamber Music this Saturday night or the following Saturday. Closing night's performance. 313-494-8635. 313-494-8635. Get through right away. Keep time. The chair by Vivaldi is elected. The spring can share those kind of things. Talking about Puccini's music, that's originally string music or string quartet. He moved it into with this. Paul Freeman.
Hello.
We are on the record. This is 21-172-132 LVNV funding versus Quinta Gaines. Date and time for pretrial, your appearances.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sandra Francis on behalf of the plaintiff, P74229.
What is your name, ma'am?
It's pronounced Kiana Gaines.
Kiana. Ms. Gaines, I was about to default you. Matter scheduled at 11 o'clock, 11:30. Where are we on this file, people?
Your Honor, my office did file a motion for summary disposition. We have not yet received a response. I don't believe there's a hearing date scheduled yet. Last time, attorney from my firm appeared and spoke to the defendant, but there was no resolution, and we have had no communication with the defendant since.
All right. Your written discovery, the court has had written discovery open in this matter. Have you completed your written discovery?
Your Honor, we're not requesting any documentation at this time.
Ms. Gaines, are you going to do any written discovery?
Yes, I did contact the office twice. I haven't received a response yet.
Are you going to do any written discovery, ma'am, is my question.
I don't know.
I'm gonna set this motion for summary disposition for hearing.
I want to settle it. I don't know where rediscovery is.
All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to close the written discovery. I'm going to set this matter for hearing on July 11th at 11 o'clock. Does that date and time work for everybody?
Yes.
That's fine, Judge.
All right, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you two in the waiting room. If you're able to settle it, a chat room, excuse me. If you're able to settle it, come back to me. If not, we'll hear the motion July 11th at 11 o'clock.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, Judge, if it's not resolved, did you still want us to come back into the courtroom? No, okay.
Come back only if you resolve it.
Okay, thank you,
Now
Judge.
we'll go forward with the motion on July 11th.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Let's get you guys hopefully in the breakout room. We are on the record, file number 211711376, credit acceptance versus Michael Dent. We were last together on this file on, let's see here. Looks like April 18th, 2022. At that time, the court opened written discovery, set the matter for hearing on May 16th. And then we had a pretrial on May 16th. At that date time, we were not able to resolve the matter, and the parties agreed along with the court to set the matter for pretrial today, June 13th at 11 o'clock. It's now after 11:30. Could I have your appearance?
Judge, may please court, I am Attorney Richard Bruson, my bar number 35222, and I am the attorney of record for the plaintiff.
Well, it appears that the plaintiff has appeared, defendant has failed to appear. No good cause for that failure having been shown. The default of the defendant is hereby entered. We'll send you out a copy of that order today, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
coming
Judge.
in. Have a nice day. Looking forward to your motion for default judgment.
All right, thank you.
I don't think the problem. I'm not sure on those.
30 minutes late. So,
We are back on the record in 2-1-172132. Your appearances.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Sandra Francis on behalf of the plaintiff, P74229.
What is your name, ma'am?
Kiana Gaines.
Where are we?
Your Honor, we have reached a resolution in the matter. The defendant has agreed to make a settlement payment within 30 days from today. So what we would request in the event that she fails to make that payment, if the court is willing to schedule our motion hearing for after 30 days, we would then move forward with our motion. In the event she makes the payment, we will file a dismissal with the court.
I've got this matter scheduled now for July the 11th for your motion. Let me see. Today is what day?
June 13th.
Today is 13th of June, right?
Yes.
2.
Do you think you'd be able to make that payment before July 11th? That's just 2 days prior to the 30-day period.
Yes.
Okay, what date do you think you can make your payment by?
I get paid in 2 weeks.
Okay.
That's the 27th of June.
Yes.
You pay on Friday or on Monday?
I get paid on Friday.
So 2 weeks from this week would be July 1st.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll keep the 11th. That seems to be enough time. And if you have your payment has been made, the case will be dismissed. Otherwise, we'll proceed with the motion for summary disposition.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
She has the information where to send payment and all that stuff.
We will be providing her with that information, Your Honor. I did get her email address to send her that.
All right. Thank you both for coming in. We're off the record.
Okay, thank you,
July
Judge.
11th at 11 o'clock is our next date.
11 o'clock. Thank
Hopefully,
you, Judge.
your transaction will be completed by then.